Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What to do when your employer fails to report an injury. Although working as a seaman on a ship or any type of maritime vessels can be a lucrative profession, it is inherently dangerous. Maritime workplace injuries happen frequently, especially when heavy machinery is involved. If you suffer a serious injury on duty, you could face months of leave while you recover. That is why an employer needs to report an injury on duty as soon as possible so you can receive the appropriate compensation and medical attention. Have you been injured at work but it has not been reported to the relevant authorities? Here's what you should know if your employer failed to report an injury on duty. What is right reporting procedure? If you have been seriously injured because of an offshore accident or workplace mishap, it is important to report the injury to your employer as soon as possible. By law, all maritime vessels must report any injuries serious enough to cause hospitalization to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) within 24 hours. Other injuries that must be reported to OSHA within 24 hours include amputations or loss of an eye. The next discussion is why is timely reporting important. Maritime laws are complicated. Submitting a claim can be a time-consuming process depending on the circumstances of the accident and the legal assistance provided to you. Reporting your injury and contacting a specialized lawyer can help you understand your options and legal rights. By reporting your injury to your employer as soon as possible, you can ensure your legal rights are protected. Your claim is less likely to be denied. Your employer can act quickly to protect other workers. You have time for a second medical opinion on your injuries, if necessary. Penalties imposed for failure to complain. On top of the compensation and benefits your employer may owe to you for your injury, if you can prove your employer willfully failed to comply with OSHA health and safety standards, they may be liable for further penalties. Any employer who willfully or repeatedly fails to comply with occupational safety and health standards or provide employees with a safe working environment may be fined between 5,000 US dollar and 70,000 US dollar for each willful violation. Maritime workers' compensation benefits. If you work as a seaman on a maritime vessel and suffered a serious injury, you may qualify for Jones Act compensation. According to the Jones Act, you may be eligible to receive compensation for medical bills, lost wages, lost earning capacity, loss of enjoyment of life, pain and suffering, which refers to non-economic negative effects on your injury. If you are a maritime worker and your employer refuses to file a workers' compensation claim for your injury, know that there are many options available for you to compel them to do so. And then what to do if your employer do not report your injury. If your employer has not reported a workplace injury, you should contact a qualified maritime lawyer before talking to your employer or any insurance company. Under no circumstances should you sign any documents offered to you by your name or insurance without consulting with an experienced lawyer first. If you have been injured and want to take action against your employer for not reporting your injury, it may be helpful to follow these steps. Seek medical attention. Besides getting help for your injuries, seeking medical attention after a serious workplace accident will provide a proof of the seriousness and extent of your injuries and prevent your employer's lawyer from saying the incident was not as serious as claimed. File out a maritime accident report. You should complete an accident or incident report as soon as possible after your injury has been attended to. If you fail to report an injury to your employer in a timely manner, they may later deny you medical treatment and compensation for time taken off from work. Seek legal advice. Your employer may give you paperwork to sign after reporting an injury on duty. It is important to have them reviewed by a maritime lawyer so you don't waive your rights to compensation. File a Jones Act claim if employer negligence was the cause of the accident and your employer refuses to file a workers' compensation claim. You should consider filing a Jones Act claim with the help of your lawyer. Among other aspects, the Jones Act stipulates compensation of maritime workers who are injured due to the negligence of a vessel's owners, captains, or crew members. If you can prove the accident and your injury was the result of your negligence, your employer may be liable to pay you compensation for damages suffered. And then, how a maritime lawyer can help consists a team of a team of experienced maritime lawyers specializing in assisting a seaman whose employers refuses to report injuries on the job. By teaming up with one of maritime attorney, for example, like a Sketcher, Cypher, and Harris LLP, you will have access to decades of valuable insight into the maritime injury claims process, as well as what to expect from your employer and how to ensure you are being treated fairly. If you or someone you know has been injured while working on a maritime vessels, contact a maritime attorney to schedule a free confidential case review and consultation with a seasoned maritime lawyer, including a close look at your maritime accident report. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can share to you. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need information about maritime topics, you are in right channel. Why is that so? Because in this channel we talk about it a lot, guys. And if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And then do the same thing if you have a question, guys. You can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we will talk about it. And don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information about maritime topics, so when you share this video to them, it means you already helped them to get through their problems. For example, maybe they need information about the Jones Act, about LHWCA, about Death on High Seas Act, about workers' compensation, about a maritime attorney in the region. So by sharing this video, you already help them. If they find this information is useful for them, then you already help them to get through the problems. I think that's all, guys, the information that I can share to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you in another video, guys.